Hi, I am Alina Espiglarzo. Today is June 6, 2020. I'm going to be showing you the structures of the cow eye dissection, and here are the structures I have written out for reference. Okay, so I'm going to start with cornea. Okay, so here is the cornea of the eye. It's this front section right here. If you open it up, you can see the iris. There's a lot of vitreous humor inside, all the mass inside. I like the liquid inside, but you can kind of see like the lens in there. So the iris is right here. And then in between here, there's a circle in between the eye. Let's point it out. So this circle, let me open it up. This circle, that is the pupil. And right here, this around here, circling it, that is the iris. Okay, and then the anterior cavity is in the front with the aqueous humor where the cornea is, and the pupil, that's where the aqueous humor is. And the front part of it is the anterior cavity, and right behind it, front part of it is the anterior cavity, and right behind it, there's the posterior cavity for the eye. And then here is the lens of the eyeball. I just went ahead and took it out. It was easier to do that. We're going to go ahead and talk about the layers. So inside the vitreous humor, okay, this first like yellow layer, that's the retina. This is the retina right here. Okay, behind that is like a black layer behind the eyeball. It's not really black on this over here. This black layer is the chromoid. This black layer is the chromoid. So you can see that on this side. And then there's like a white, like skin, like it's very thick layer right here after the chromoid, and that's the sclera. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and point out the optic nerve, which goes right here. Behind my thumb, you can see the optic nerve goes this way on the eyeball. And those are all the structures. We have the pupil, and the iris, anterior, and the inside anterior, posterior is right behind it. The viscous matter, it's all this goo inside here. Retina, that yellow layer, the retina, the chromoid right behind it, the black matter, and then the skin-like, very thick, the sclera, and then again the optic nerve. And that's all. And that's my cow eye. Thank you. Oh, and the lens again. Oh, the lens. Thank you.